To medicine entrance.
Talagang to pala. No? Kala ko to medicine. Nung pala talagang to.
Ba't nga nga tinawag na to?
Dalawang gamot. Medicine.
Kaya nga.
Dalawang gamot.
Dalawang gamot. Namumula yung taas. Oh.
Ang ganda niya pag sa
Yan o, 2 minutes.
Overflow parking.
10 o'clock ba?
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng pa. Ay, ayun.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa 2 Medicine Lake. Ayan. So, sakay kami ng boat. So, yan yung view. Practice pa rin. Ayan. Ito may bayad. Yung scenic boat tour. Scenic boat tour to eh. Itong 2 Medicine na to. So, by time, yung boat ride. So, ayan, departure. Kami ay 10. 10 kami. Tapos yung pabalik, lakad.
Oh. So we're
So, yun. At
and then bring the boat back.
ride ng boat papunta. Then, pabalik ay lakad. Ayan.
Mauna na kayong apat. Akin na yung ticket namin.
Sinopa. Sinopa.
Hi y'all, do you have tickets? Yeah. Okay, come aboard.
Kabay daw kay Sean. Yun, nandun sa bits. Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Daddy, dito na tayo. Daddy, you will sit here.
Crown of North America. It's pretty underwhelming, right? I always say that only the most wise visitors come to 2 Medicine because I'm probably biased, but I think it's the most magical spot in the park, and we're kind of hidden away here. We're tucked away in the southeast corner. So well done. You're the most wise. Where's everybody visiting from? You can shout out the countries and the states. I heard Canada,
Alaska,
Colorado, Alaska, Georgia, Tennessee, Texas. What was that? Lebanon. Where else?
Philippines.
Ireland.
We're Philippines.
Philippines. This is awesome. We're from all over the place. I'm initially from Washington State, and my name's Claire. I'll be your captain. I love asking everybody where you're visiting from because we're coming from all over the country, all over the world, and we get to be out here for 45 minutes on this historic boat, just surrounded by soaring mountains, and we're all here for similar reasons, whether that's to reconnect with beauty, to ground ourselves, find solitude, stillness, or Glacier has just been on the dream bucket list for years and years of your life. So if that's you, so happy that you're here and that you made it.
So, nakasakay na kami dito sa boat. Boat ride. 45 minutes ride. Yan. Pati niya siya. So, sila nandun sa sila payload. Sila naman dito. So, maraming pasahero. Phone pa rin.
So this boat and a few others in the fleet, they were built by boat builder Billy Swanson of Kalispell. And he then transported them up here into the park. He started the first boat concession that he passed on to the Birch family in 1938, and it's been a family-owned business ever since then. So we really appreciate your support summer after summer. I love to imagine just all of the history that this boat has lived through, all of the visitors that have sat in these seats, gazed at these vistas before us. So this is a Coast Guard inspected vessel. It means that there are a variety of flotation devices on board. If we were to have an emergency and we needed to evacuate, you're going to find in both of the overhead compartments adult life preservers, also underneath the seats going all the way to the back of the boat, and then child life preservers, they're located underneath the seats in the back. And I'm going to give a demonstration on how to put on a life preserver.
Spread the wings, put it over your head, take this black strap, bring it around town, flip it in, pull it snug, jump out the window.
So if you needed to evacuate the boat, you could pull in your windows and push them out, or you could exit here from the bow. And once we do gain forward momentum, there can be 4 people that roam the bow at a time. Just make sure that you rotate out with one another. And if you have little ones, just stay with them when you're out there. And then if everybody could just not walk up on these stairs, that would be awesome. Thank you. And it's about that time. Everybody that's ready for a 10 o'clock tour. Can I get a woo-hoo?
Want to welcome everybody to the Two Medicine Valley Glacier National Park. My name is Pat Hagen. I'm originally from Anaconda, Montana, and this is my 38th season in the park. And after 38 seasons, all that means is I've just become real comfortable making stuff up. As we go down the lake today, we'll talk a little bit about the park's history, a little bit about geology, a little bit about wildlife along the way. And of course, if you have questions at any time, feel free to chime in. Well, there's no retirement in what I do. My benefit package includes tom calves and huckleberries, and that's it. I do, seasonally. But if there are no other questions, I have one for you guys. How many of you can say Two Medicine and Blackfeet? Enjoy your swim. Repeat after me. Natu, Kuka, Si. Put it all together. Natu, Kuka, Si. Keep it in your heart. This place Two Medicine is good medicine.
You want to check out the Twin Falls Trail. It's going to be a mile to that waterfall from the boat dock and a mile back, just 75 feet of elevation gain. You can go a mile and a half past the falls to Upper Two Medicine Lake. There's 300 feet of elevation gain total on that hike. Round trip, that hike is 5 miles. You could hike all the way back if you don't want to take the boat by accessing either the South or the North Shore Trail junctions. So to get to that South Shore junction, you go up the Twin Falls Trail a little ways, and then you're going to see it on the left. It's 4 miles back to the boat dock that we left from. You could also take the Twin Falls Trail up a ways and then turn right where it links up with the Dawson Pass junction, and then you'll take the North Shore 3.5 miles to the Prairie Lake Campground. You'll still have a half a mile left to walk back to your car if you parked by the camp store.
Yan na, karga na lang kita, karga. Yan na, karga kita, karga. Na. Thank you.
How many did you guys need? It was 6 adults and 2 kids.
Alrighty.
We already have them. Oh, okay. So 1, 2, 3,
Oh, nice water.
You ready for a hike
No,
again?
Daddy, they should.
We're gonna go see falls, waterfall.
He got it for you.
Bye-bye.
Pabalik, ang site naman ako yung
Ako na yung mga ticket.
si Lola Ellie.
Ano nga tong bundok? Ano mo ito pangalan?
Hindi kasi nga, ano kung hindi tayo pwede yung bata.
Just keep rocking.
Okay. Watch out for the...
Come on.
Before and after.
Before and after. Yan ang before.
Masaya pa.
Yung after. Ito yung before. Mga before. Mga masasaya pa.
Mamaya haggard na.
Mamaya ano na.
Pero, ito, 75 feet elevation gain lang.
Ay, mababa lang. 75. Elevation lang, mababa.
No covering. I want to see the front.
Ay, mas mataas yun. Kala ko na, talagang sa akin, yan ang pinakamataas.
Say hi!
Hi.
Oo nga pala, nung kahapon. Tapos isusunod, inakit na natin Marlene na isa.
Hi again.
Yung may hagdan.
Oh, look, this is the forest canopy. There's ferns. These are ferns.
Pako, sa atin no?
Ah, dito ko pala dito.
Yung mga Pilipino.
Pako, yan ang pako na Pilipinas.
Pa lang siya kina-harvest nila.
That looks like a line. Line.
Ang pinakain?
Ginagawa salad. Kami ho ngayon ay nangungubat.
Why didn't you make noise?
So yung dulo lang itakap mo.
Parang puno ng mais.
Yung ang ganda. Dito. Ayoko rin.
Oh, look, all berries. This is what the bears eat.
Yung may huckleberry, hindi.
Oh, no.
This person is wrong.
Oh, you there?
Whatever the bear eats doesn't mean we can eat it.
We can eat salmon. They eat fish.
But not everything.
And they eat meat. And we eat meat.
They have a different digestion.
Why does that?
Lala, tataas ng puno. Puro pine tree. Eh, wala pa ako makita ng puno ng niyog. Makapanungkit ng...
Wala talaga rin.
ng mura.
Daddy mo mangga.
Mamaya may puno ng santol dyan.
Pag may natapo na ng santol, ito natin ha.
Ang laki oh, parang puno ng sampalok.
Oo nga no. Yan daya niya sa
Ang taas.
Parang sampalok mo. Ganyan sampalok.
Ito diba ito yung mga inaano ng ano?
Na, may ano na, may nagsignal na bear sa bear. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. And hi, Caleb.
Good morning. This is the Two Medicine Trail. I'm your park ranger, Brother Sean. I've been doing this for 1 day.
Just for today. With no training. How do you use your bear spray?
Huh?
How do you use bear spray? Just throw it? Thank you for teaching us.
Yes, thank you. You throw it and then you run.
You throw it and you run?
Yes.
Wait.
The end.
The end.
The end of
The end
you.
of story.
The end of your story.
Goodbye.
That's a good advice.
Yan, ganda ng mountain.
Not a good adventure.
Not a good adventure.
Yeah, because that's the end of your adventure.
You're right, Garjana.
Not a good ending too. But you're gonna get killed by the bird.
So, no happily ever after.
Yes.
Amoy mo talaga yung manure ng
Hello.
You got it pretty easy up there.
Yeah.
I want that ride.
Save for another.
1.5 pa yung upper 2 medicine.
0.7 na lang. Naka 1 point...
1 point.
Ah, hindi. Naka 0.7 miles.
O 1.1 kilometer.
Or 1.1 kilometer papunta sa boat trail. Boat
So,
land.
naka 0.7 na tayo.
Ito. 0.3 na lang sa twin, 1.5 na lang sa
Upper 2 Medicine Hat. 0.3 miles. Twin Falls. 1.5 sa 2 Medicine Lake. Ari ko. Naalala ko to sa Pilipinas, kawayan lang ang tulay. Oh, yung mga tinumbang niyog, ano? So yan. Ang bundok Rocky Mountains. Ano? Ganda ng sikat ng araw. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Napakagubat. Samantalang sa Pilipinas ay yung mangubat. Dito sa Amerika nangungubat. Meron, may view sa may view pag sa atin.
Oh, wow. Nice.
So, narito na kami sa falls. Ano yung falls? Dito sa Two Medicine Lake. Oh, ang ganda ng tubig. Ganda ng falls. May naliligo yata. Naliligo ba? Ha? Parang ano lang sa parang sa Villa Escudero lang
Maupo na lang tayo na maupo.
Medicine Lake, ano? Upper 2. May lower ba?
Maybe. May upper, hindi may lower.
1.3 mile. Let's get it on!
Laban! Laban! Oh, bawi, bawi. Ay!
Din, may tayo na naman mo.
Puro Rockies.
Hello.
Palapit na ng palapit. Mga hikers na hindi hikers. Ang dami ano.
Na ano? Bulaklak? Ganda.
Pagkain ng bear.
Cool para yung ano nila. Hindi bulaklak bear. Pero cool.
Piling ko yun na yun, pababa. Kaya kaya.
Aray!
Sabi ko sa'yo, false summit eh.
Sir, pababa.
Hikers is always a hikers.
Caleb,
Caleb! Lola's water.
Caleb, come here. Stop there.
Stop there. Look for a place to stop.
Taas na natin, oh.
Wait, what?
2.5 miles.
2.5 miles.
Wow.
Dito na kami. Nakarating din. Tara na maligo. Ganda ng kulay ng tubig eh.
Huwag mo basahin yung damit niya.
So, pabalik na kami. Ito yan, may squirrel. Pabalik na kami ng baba sa may boat landing. Lakad na naman kami ng how many miles?
60-45.
60-45.
60-45.
Hi.
So, another lakad. Pabalik. And then go back home.
To our RV.
The RV, yeah. After you
Ligo.
ligo. Saka
But the
maliligo.
thing is gonna hurt.
Oh no, I'll put medicine. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Where?
Here.
Oh, I thought playing on the phone.
I'm just kidding. Kami
Ay,
ay
malapit na.
lamate ma.
Saan?
Saan?
Saan tayo punta? Sasakay?
Sakay si the boat ride and then go to the house van.
Akala ko Tagalog. Tagalog mo. Sasakay
Sakay
na kami
that kami
sa... Saan?
sa bangka.
Sa bangka. Papuntang
Papuntang
sa...
Be careful.
Saan?
sa bunker. Taputi ay ta, pikuti ay pikati, piko.
Saan tayo punta? Saan tayo sasakay?
Sa bangka, sa boat, ay
Malapit na.
lapit na to the
Saan?
lapit na.
Saan?
Si bunker.
Si Bunker?
Yeah, bunker, the guy. He talked to us. He said her name is Bunker.
Aha.
Careful.
Yeah.
I still don't have boo-boo yet. I still don't have boo-boo yet.
We're here in the lake. In boat landing. Are we?
Yep.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Aha.
can we sit with my dog? No, you sit with no.
Pasakay na kami ng bangka.
Why can I sit with you?
Hindi tayo kasya eh.
No.
Game, kaya dalawa. Pukan dalawa.
Go. With mommy.
Oh, here. Hold it.
Tatlungan, Daddy. Inyo to.
Tatlungan na tatlungan. No, I'm with mommy.
Hindi nga tayo kasya na.
No, only the two.
Got about 10 more to go.
Just do it.
I counted wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Watch out, eh.
7, 8, 9, 10. Right here, I can't
You!
stop.
It's full. It's full ticket.
I'm just gonna have to leave it. Yep, come on down. You're on.
Yeah, this
You're
one.
last
This is the one.
Take care.
It's for the kids, the other one. The fall.
And we hiked up there.
Naglaro ka pa. Say thank you, ha. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Watch your steps, sweetheart. Watch your steps, yeah. That would be good. Watch your steps.
Wait, Daddy, a dog there.
So yun, nakabalik na kami sa shore. We're on the shore.
Yeah, sure. We're back.
We're back.
We're
Finally,
back.
after 2.5 miles
Yay!
walking.
We're going back swimming to the warm water or the hot water.
We're back on the land. So yun, kabalik na kami. Let's go.
There you go.
So yun, nakabalik na kami dito sa shore. Ito, South Shore Trailhead. So sumakay kami ng bangka para makabalik. So yan yung view. Pakita namin ng konti sa inyo yung tinirail namin sa taas. Diyan, behind that mountain. And yun. And pabalik na kami ng trailer. Then bukas ay kami ay pabalik na ng Winnipeg.
Gianna, go beside
So from here is malapit to sa border ng Alberta, itong Montana na to. So baka tumawid kami sa Coots, then labas ng Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, then back to Winnipeg. So yun, sana na-share namin sa inyo yung aming tour dito, yung bakasyon namin, mahigit 1 week.
I found a good rock.
Yeah. What
Can I
kind of
keep
rock?
it?
Okay. Go. So yun, time to go back. And tomorrow ay maaga kami. Hindi man sobrang aga siguro. Or mga, kasi check out namin is 11. So back to reality after vacation. So yan. At yan. Ito na kami sa mga mountain camping. So week camping. Ang maganda malo yan ang bana yan, oh. Yan, oh, ganda. Nakaitsura niya sa loob. Ano? Travato. In the future, ganda garto, ban na para wala ka nang hihilahin. In the future. Come on, Busa. Hurry up.
Take